Morning class, welcome. SST class with Renuma. Children, our beautiful country. You know, our country is blessed with beautiful snow-capped mountains, valleys, rivers, plateaus, coastal areas, coastal plains, islands, and on this basis or these physical features, we have divided our country in 5 divisions. First, northern mountains we had discussed in our previous chapter number 2, the northern mountains. And today we are going to discuss about next physical feature number 2, that is the northern plains. The northern plains. Okay, children? Northern plains. You know the direction? North, south, west, east. You know the directions? Okay. We are talking about north side plain area. Northern plains. Okay, children? The northern plains are located towards the south of the northern mountains. South of the northern mountains and are to the north of the southern plateaus. Right? So you can see in the pic also that northern plains are located towards the south of the northern mountains and are to the north of the southern plateau. Okay? And you know, it extends from Punjab in the west side. Punjab in the west side to Assam in the east. Now telling you about the rivers. You know, this area is very much fertile, isn't it? बहुत fertile area है. And what is the reason? And the reason behind it, that is the rivers originating from the mountains. जो originate होती है mountains से rivers bring sand, clay and silt with them. अपने साथ sand, silt, clay लाती है. The fine silt is called alluvium. ओके वो अपने साथ लाती हैं और वो क्या करती हैं, द फाइन सिल्ट डिपॉजिटेड इन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, वो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में डिपॉजिट हो जाता है जिससे लैंड यहाँ की बहुत फर्टाइल हो जाती है. एंड यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर जो यहाँ लोगों का मेन प्रोफेशन है, मेन ऑक्यूपेशन है. दिस इज द रीजन, दिस इज द ओनली रीजन दैट एग्रीकल्चर इज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द people of northern plains. So it is clear to everybody. And now I'm telling you the rivers. The main rivers flowing through the northern plains are Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra. These are the main rivers and their tributaries. Now you will say, ma'am, what is the meaning of tributary? A stream or river that flows into a big river. जो एक बिग रिवर में फ्लो करती है. ओके, अ स्ट्रीम और रिवर दैट फ्लोज इनटू अ बिग रिवर. एंड नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल्सो द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी क्या होता है? अ स्ट्रीम ऑफ अ रिवर दैट डज नॉट रिटर्न टू द मेन रिवर. डज नॉट रिटर्न टू द मेन रिवर. मेन रिवर से निकल जाती है, वो रिटर्न नहीं होती मेन रिवर में. दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी. नाउ यू जस्ट सी, as these rivers are fed by the melting snow, okay, in the Himalayas, they have water throughout the year. That's why we call these rivers perennial rivers. So it is clear, जो mountain area से rivers हैं, आती हैं, वो fed होती हैं melting snow से, means उनमें throughout the year water रहता है. That's why they are called perennial river. So it is clear. An area watered by a river and its tributaries. एक एरिया जो वाटर जिसको मिलता है रिवर से या इसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी से is called a river basin. So what is river basin? What is basin? An area watered by a river and its tributaries. That is called basin. So northern plains can be divided into 3 river basins. So these basins are the Satluj River Basin. You just keep in mind, I'm telling you, number 1, the Satluj River Basin, the Ganga River Basin, the Brahmaputra River Basin. Again telling you, the Satluj River Basin, number 2, the Ganga River Basin, and number 3, the Brahmaputra River Basin. Okay, children. So again telling you what is basin. An area watered by a river and its tributaries. Tributaries, again telling you what is tributary. A stream or river, okay, that flows into a big river. That is called tributary river. So it is clear. So just open the book, okay, and page number, I'm telling you about page number. You can see the northern plains occupy the greater part of northern India. It lies to the south of the Himalayas. It is there in the book. These plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. These plains cover Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, and the Union territories of Delhi and Chandigarh also lie in these plains, right? Okay, the northern plains have a level land surface. The plains stretch to a length of 2400 kilometers. The breadth of the plains varies from 150 kilometers to 300 kilometers. They are formed by the fine soil brought down and spread by the rivers. This soil is called alluvium. Soil in the fields is soft, light and very fertile. As I told you, it is very fertile. In northern plains, the soil is very much fertile. Okay. It helps us to produce crops season after season. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called as basin. Okay. Three rivers, Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, have played an important part in the making of the northern plains. Okay, so three river basins. Number one, Satluj river basin. Number two, Ganga river basin. Number three, Brahmaputra river basins. Okay, river basin. So in this chapter, we'll discuss about three river basins and the states under northern plains. Okay, children. So today I told you three new terms: tributary, distributary, basin. One more, alluvial soil. Okay, so you have to keep in mind, okay, and you have to read chapter number 2, page number 20 and half page 21 carefully. In next video, I'll tell you about the basin, the Satluj river basin and the Ganga river basin. Okay, children, bye-bye. Have a wonderful time.